You're glad I put on.
It's going right now. Here's the 10 people. Okay. Ready, Jason.
Good evening. I'm here tonight to speak to you on behalf of Scott and White Hospital in Temple, Texas, also known as Scott and White Health System. If you're in need of medical care, we welcome you to visit us. When Dr. Arthur C. Scott and Dr. Riley R. White Jr. began their medical practice in Temple in 1897, they shared one fundamental conviction: medicine must serve the people. The two doctors formed what would later become Scott and White Memorial Hospital, a non-profit, collaborative healthcare system. Scott and White is among the leading health systems encompassing one of the nation's largest multi-specialty group practices. Scott and White provides personalized, comprehensive, high-quality care enhanced by medical education and research to residents in 29,000 square mile service area. The system owns, partners, or manages 12 hospital sites, 2 additional facilities, more than 65 clinic locations providing care in 46 medical specialties, and has a 240,000 plus member health plan. The mission of Scott and White is to provide the most personalized, comprehensive, and highest quality health care enhanced by medical education and research. Scott and White's vision is to be the most trusted and the most valued name in American healthcare. Scott and White has the only level 1 trauma center between Austin and Dallas. For research and education, the principal clinical research and education campus is for the Texas A&M Health Science Center College of Medicine, and affiliated teaching site for the Central Texas Veterans Healthcare System. Scott and White spends $15 million annually in research, more than 400 research studies, including clinical trials, and has more than 120,000 square foot bench research area. Scott and White campus is home to 2 clinical trials, has more than the Applied Health Research and the Center for Aging. At a glance, more than 1,000 physicians and scientists work for Scott and White. Last year, in 2011, they did 43,699 surgeries. They have 537,000 unique patients, 35 accredited residency and fellowship programs, and 15 physician and clinical doctoral programs. More than 12,000 employees. In 2011, there was 2.2 million visits to Scott and White Hospital, and there was 50,745 discharges. More than 400 medical residents and fellows in training at Scott and White. Scott and White's main campus is in Temple, Texas, and it's a 636-bed hospital. It's a center for diagnostic medicine, the Scott and White Pavilion, which is an outpatient surgery center, eye institute, and pain clinic. Has a pediatric ambulatory clinic, a mental health clinic, a research medical building, and medical education building supporting labs and facilities. The Temple West Clinic, Scott and White Continuum Care Hospital, is a 50-bed long-term acute care hospital. It also has the Scott and White Cancer Research Institute and the Texas A&M Health Science Center College of Medicine Institute for Regenerative Medicine. Scott and White Health Plan and the Texas Bioscience Institute are also at this campus. Scott and White Hospital in Taylor is a 25-bed critical access hospital. The McLean Children's Hospital at Scott and White is the first standalone pediatric hospital between Austin and Dallas, which has 112 inpatient beds. 64 of these beds are med-surg beds or ICU beds, accompanied with 48 neonatal ICU beds. Scott White in Round Rock has a 130-bed hospital with a specialty clinic serving the Williamson and North Travis County region. Scott White in Brenham has a 60-bed hospital. Scott and White Hospital in Atlanta is a 30-bed hospital with 6 regional clinics. The clinical network is more than 65 primary, specialty, and urgent care clinics located throughout Central Texas, providing adult and pediatric care in 46 medical specialties. The community impact of Scott and White is that it employs more than 12,000 people, including 2,800 nurses and 465 allied health professionals. The system contributes more than $250 million annually to the community. $183.5 million of this is for charity care, $43.4 million is for education, $9.5 million for research, and $10.7 million subsidized services, along with $3 million for community health improvement services. Scott and White has 4 centers of excellence. The Scott and White Cancer Institute includes the Cancer Treatment Center, Cancer Research Institute, Drug Development and the Drug Development Institute. The Cancer Institute Center has 12 multidisciplinary, site-specific cancer teams and is one of only 21 hospitals in the country designated as a Siemens 1 center. The Scott and White Bone and Joint Institute is comprised of experts in the fields of joint replacement, spinal surgery, foot and ankle surgery, hand surgery, pediatric and oncology orthopedics, sports medicine, orthopedic trauma, and medical orthopedics. The Heart and Vascular Institute of Scott and White has been consistently listed in the Thomson Reuters 100 top hospitals in America. It has benchmarks and is one of the 3 facilities in the state that perform the Mays procedure to treat atrial fibrillation. The Neuroscience Center Multidisciplinary Neuroscience Institute of Scott and White combines healthcare experts in neurology, neurosurgery, neuropsychology to treat patients with neurological disorders and conditions. Other centers for specialized care are the McLean Children's Hospital and the Scott and White Eye Institute. Recent recognitions and awards that would prompt you to possibly come visit us at Scott and White is that Scott and White is 100% accreditation survey score by the National Committee for Quality Assurance. The neonatal intensive care unit at McLean Children's Hospital is in the top 10 of NICUs in the nation as rated by the Vermont-Oxford Network. Scott and White Health Plan is the highest ranked Medicare HMO in Texas. Scott White Memorial Hospital has one of 5 hospitals in Texas designated by Walmart as a Center of Excellence. Scott White in Brenham is a 2011 top performer of key quality measures for pneumonia and surgical care by the Joint Commission. The Scott and White Hospital in Round Rock is a 2011 top performer on key quality measures for heart attack, heart failure, pneumonia, and surgical care by the Joint Commission. The Scott and White in Temple is a certification for heart transplant program from the Center for Medicare Services. In 2012, Scott and White Memorial Hospital named the top 100 hospitals by Thomson Reuters for the 8th year in a row. Scott White in Temple, Llano, and Brenham are recipients of the Texas Healthcare Quality of Improvement Award. In 2012, Scott White Hospital Round Rock was certified as the Certified Chest Pain Center for Percutaneous Coronary Intervention from the Society of Chest Pain Centers. And in 2012, Scott White and Temple and Round Rock were 2 of the first 5 hospitals in the nation to receive American Heart Association's Lifeline Heart Attack Receiving Center for accreditation. For these reasons, I hope that you or your family need care, you will choose Scott White and come and see us. Thank you for your time.